All right guys, welcome to another video, and yes, this video is a sponsored video, but don't run. I know how you guys operate. Okay, listen, I do the same thing. Nobody wants to hear somebody try to sell them something, but this one's really cool. I've done this video before, and I'm glad that we get to do it again. This right here is the HOVERAir X1 ProMax. This is a self-flying camera, and this thing is going to be able to follow you guys around and get some really cool shots on your bike, and actually can get really cool shots just in general. It's crazy, in 2026, we have these things. Now, what's so cool about this thing is like, this is it, right? So you could just take this, and if you wanted to, put it in your pocket. Now you have a camera, that could potentially follow you around. You'll see all the cool stuff it does. It's awesome. And when you want to use it, you just unfold it. You literally just press the button and then hold it, let the camera lock onto you, and now you can get it to follow you around. And I'm going to show you guys a quick example of like what you can do with it. So this right now is on H-Log. I'm using it with my Final Cut. So I definitely did some things with the settings and whatnot, but I'm at 4K 60, and you can see me walking around all smooth. Not really. That's not the camera, by the way, that's just me. But I figured I would show you guys just the useful things you could do with it. Like right now, I have a microphone that is on my chest that I'm using right now. It's not the microphone for the actual HOVERAir. And I figured I would do a really cool test right now. What we're gonna do is, I'm gonna show you guys how fast I can get from up here to down there. So it should be really quick. We'll see if the HOVERAir can keep up. I'm actually not gonna do that, because that would literally be the end of me. That would be the last video I do in a really, maybe ever, honestly. But I figured I would give you guys a quick example of a tour. Walking around the skate park, just showing you all the cool cinematic and just creative cool shots that you can get with this thing. I love this area of the skate park too, because there's so much different stuff happening all around here. And I figured it would look cool. And yeah, how's my walk look? Why don't you guys put that in the comments? Am I getting better? Am I the same? What do you guys think? I'm not feeling too smooth today, to be honest with you. But I'm just grateful I'm actually up on my feet. So yeah, I think it's a good little intro. Now we're gonna do some BMX riding with this camera, and we're gonna have it follow Maddie and come up with some creative shots. So let's see what happens. Just in the return real quick. Just put your hand underneath and then it lands easy as that. But yeah, this thing is great, and I'm gonna show you guys some cool footage right now. Let's do it. We are gonna show you guys how creative you can get with this thing, and what we're gonna do is have Maddie do a fake sponsor me video intro right now.
It could be real though, if somebody does want to sponsor me for this video.
Yeah, it's out
like,
there.
This sounds fake, and if nobody sponsors me, but it's real. So.
If somebody does sign up for it.
Somebody does like this.
So what we're just trying to say is, the sponsorship is available if you guys are willing. So reach out to Maddie in the Instagram. But anyway, we're going to set it up right now. We're gonna have Maddie look really cool while doing this one. So what setting are you gonna use for this dramatic?
We're going orbit mode, 5 foot high, 360. So 5 foot away from me, high,
ooh,
360.
Good luck, let's see what happens here.
Get my good angle.
Let's get ready. All right, this is the start of Maddie's sponsor me video. He's gotta look really cool right now. The HOVERAir is ready. I don't know this pose. He doesn't know what to do with his hands. It's pretty clear and obvious.
Hey guys, I'm Maddie Kramer, and I'm a 28-year-old professional BMX rider from South Florida, and I could be a massive asset to your amazing company.
We're going to use the HOVERAir X1 ProMax to do a following camera angle. It's going to be able to follow him doing his tricks, and we'll see how it looks. Nice tie ride across, going up and over the A-frame, grinding the handrail. I have no idea what trick he's gonna do. Can you get the hang 5? Perfect. That's a rare one for his sponsor me video. But you can see the camera just turned around and completely just kept on following him. So it's really cool, honestly. The technology is amazing. It really is. Might as well keep going. What do you got now?
Sponsor me, you can reach me on my email,
That was Maddie sending out his information right there. Sponsor him, send it to his email, he said. But yeah, we'll continue over going into the concrete area. You can see how he goes up in the air now, and it actually slows down and adapts to his speed, which is super cool. Really awesome. Back over to the handrail. Oh, messed up for his sponsor me video. Maddie's up on the top right now. We're going to set this thing up to try to follow him during a flare while he's setting up for a hover. So let's see if it works. So yeah, we're live right now. Let's see how it goes. Let's follow Maddie up on top of the top deck so far. He's dropping in. He is going over towards the concrete. Now, can he get the flare? He's got it, and hopefully the HOVERAir kept it all in frame. We're gonna check it out. That's the thing, we're not watching it live right now. But I can do that actually. I'm gonna watch it I'm gonna get you to do it again, Matt. I'm gonna get you to do it again, but I'm gonna watch it on my phone as well.
Oh, Dorian?
Yeah. So right now I have the HOVERAir app out on my phone and I screen record so you guys can see. I'm gonna press tap to activate right now, connecting my HOVERAir X1 ProMax, you can see right there. So now I have the screen record on my phone enabled and you guys are seeing exactly what the HOVERAir is seeing. What's cool is I can actually adjust it from here. Like, see how I can put it lower? I'm gonna drop it down. Got Maddie doing that flare and actually kept them in frame, which is pretty impressive. So we're gonna get Maddie doing some more tricks using the HOVERAir. You can see this is exactly what I am seeing right now on my phone while I'm staring at it. And you can see there's manual controls as well, but no need right now. It's actually following it all on its own. I'm not literally touching anything. This is doing everything on its own, which is super cool. Super cool. So yeah, that's unbelievable, honestly it is. So now I have my phone out right here. I'm gonna be checking out Maddie riding the half pipe down there. So we're gonna have it set on hover. So this is just gonna act like a second angle. So here we go, Maddie's down in the bowl. We are going to be seeing how this thing keeps up. You can see it's always trying to keep Maddie in the center, which is definitely expected, right? It always wants to be in the center. I'm not touching anything right now. I'm just kind of letting it do it. I'm just monitoring everything and it's doing a good enough job. It really is. Like me personally, like if I can get the drone to just angle just a little bit down would be cool. Ooh, that might have done a difference right there. See, that looks good to me. That's framed right. So I just dragged it down and it actually started following it, which is super cool. Oh, Maddie's going to the back end. But just think about that. I can't get in the bowl. I can't get down there. So the fact that it's doing the job for me is pretty unbelievable. It's great, honestly. It's so cool. I'm just grateful that this technology exists in 2026 and that I have opportunity to do sponsored videos for it. Unbelievable. So seeing, like I was talking about it, I wish it was framed a little bit different. And I ended up dragging it down using the down arrow and it actually worked. It kept them in a better angle. And for me, I'd rather have a little bit more space below the rider than it was naturally showing right there. So I'm glad you can adjust it on the phone. That's a huge difference right there on that app. And if you guys are interested in getting the HOVERAir X1 ProMax, you guys can go into the link in the description of this video. I would definitely appreciate it. Having the opportunity to do sponsored videos like this is amazing for the channel, for me and my brother. And yeah, if you guys are interested, please go check it out, learn more about it. I would definitely appreciate it. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will see you guys in Arizona. That's gonna be our next video out there. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited for us to be out there. We're gonna be filming a bunch of stuff. And the question is Maddie going to be able to do a kickflip over the step up? He's gonna be battling it and I'm super excited about this. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. If any of you out there want to learn more about the HOVERAir X1 ProMax, you guys can go and check out the original video that I did on this amazing camera. It goes over a bunch of different modes and it shows you a different skate park setup and you'll get a good idea of what this camera is truly capable of. The link is right here at the end of the video or down in the description, right next to the actual product link, so go check it out.